Just as a standard disclaimer, my channel is not designed for everybody. You may not agree with the things I say, I may not agree with the things you reply, but guarantee if you attempt to call me out in a half-assed manner, I'm gonna respond in striking fashion. What's good, guys? Welcome back, Original Dobo. And here on this channel, we're just gonna call it like it is. It's Drone and Tech. And recently, Drone X Factor put out a video titled Beware of Bitches, where he spent 6 minutes basically monologuing about the haters of the Mavic Mini. And let's make no mistake, it's not that people are hating about the Mavic Mini, it's just that we have general gripes that could be better. And the fact is, when I talk about drinking the Kool-Aid, the people that just say a product is so great and fantastic, those are the people that don't help make a product better. $400 is what you all have spent on the little Mavic Mini. Mavic Mini, $400. Could it be better? Absolutely. The things that I put in my recent video, my last video, were all legitimate requests. None of them were really outlandish or over expectant of a drone that costs this price tag. Okay, maybe follow me mode would be the only thing that I would say is overreaching. Things can always be better. And my channel calls out those manufacturers for those discrepancies. I don't have any sort of brand bias. I will go after any brand if I see something is wrong with it. And with the Mavic Mini, yeah, there's definitely some things that could be better. And that's what we called out in that video. So he went on for 6 minutes, basically saying, beware and just fly your drone, blah, blah. And that's great. For you new pilots, you can turn this off right now because this is really geared more towards the existing people in the drone community. But it's videos like that, when you try to take a stab at another creator like this, unprovoked, dude, you just stepped in the shit because of all the people that you are going to try to throw shade at. You picked like the king of shade because I'm gonna come at you 110% full force. And you were just wrong, dude. Wrong, 100% wrong. Now, is it wrong of me to make this video? Maybe, I don't know. Was it wrong of me to call you a bitch as well? Maybe, but at least I said, Dear Drone X Factor, you are a bitch. Your content is nothing but clickbait-filled rambles that I can't barely get past 2 minutes of. So there you go. That's what I think of your content, and I don't care what sort of whiplash this video brings towards myself, but I just had to get that off my chest after watching this. I thought it's silly. Do you guys want me to tell you that, you know, every single product is sunshine and rainbows, or do you want me to give you the contrast of the good and the bad? And that's what I think I've done pretty well when it comes to, oh, but hang on, that's the Skydio. I thought it was Skydio. It's an electric scooter, not Skydio, thought it was. But anyways, stark contrast, that's where I was before UPS rang the doorbell. And I try to give you guys the best of both worlds with my content. Out of breath, damn, that was heavy. Shit. My content is designed to be edgy. It's designed to be different. It's not sterile content. It's not designed to be like anything else you've ever seen. Really need to work out. But I've done that intentionally. I've done that intentionally because that's who I am in real life. And if you've ever met me in person, you'll know I am very, very far from this, what he's saying, a bitch. That's, what a dick. But yeah, I mean, what are we supposed to do? Just tell you what you want to hear? No, I can't do that. I gotta tell you all the facts. And even if you've bought the drone, nobody's saying it's bad. It's gonna get better over time. Should we be more patient? Probably, but you know how that goes. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. This was a ramble. I'll see you later. And don't forget, if you join my Patreon, I'm gonna be giving away 25 Mavic 3s. So it's only $1 to become one of my Patreon. $1. Yeah, I'll never ask you guys for any money, ever. So because I'll never ask you for any money, whether you are a hater, somebody who's subscribed, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be giving away a Mavic Mini. courtesy of DroneWorks. So you don't even have to be a part of this channel. Drop me a comment down below. Tell me why you do watch the content or why you hate my content to be entered to win. Stay original.
Don't know the time, but just know that I'm